Can clear pool water be dangerous? Like, meaning if the water looks good, like you're looking at it, looks like you'd like to go swimming, is it safe just because it's clear and looks good? And the answer wholeheartedly is no. Like, I mean, probably your pool's safe, right? Like, why wouldn't it be safe? But to your question, no, just because it looks good does not mean it's safe. I'll give you two examples here. So, what color is bleach? Right? Isn't it like basically a clear liquid? I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to go swimming in bleach. Like bleach is actually a little bit yellow, but you get my point here is that it could, just because it's a clear liquid doesn't mean that it's safe, right? There's all sorts of clear liquids out there which totally ain't safe. Your pool is probably not filled with these liquids, but it just warrants mentioning that it might not be safe. And I'm making this video because I had a customer reach out to me with a problem, and it's it was a big problem, and I wanted you to know about it. So they ended up having, this is what they had. The pH of their pool water was 2.5, in and about 2.5. And they reiterated to me that is not a typo. This was triple checked, proven to be accurate. That is the pH of the pool water. And they were drawn to this not because the pool water looked bad. Everything, in fact, looked a-okay. And the person only noticed because their teeth were hurting when they went swimming. Every time they went swimming, their teeth were hurting. And a pH of 2.5. For those in the know right now, you're probably horrified. I know I certainly am, but the pH scale is logarithmic. I think that's the correct terminology. It's an exponential scale. So like a pH of 7, which is already a little bit too low for a swimming pool. 7.4 would be great. 7, we're talking about a little too low. A pH of 6 is 10 times more acidic than a pH of 7. pH of 5 is 100 times more acidic. pH of 4, 1,000 times more acidic. pH of 3, 10,000 times more acidic. A pH of 2, 100,000 times more acidic. Did I miss one in there? 100,000 times more acidic than what swimming pool water is supposed to be on the low end of things. When you say it like that, it sounds really bad because it is. That is actual acid. That is literally acid at that point. So that pool water, despite the fact that it looked clean and clear and beautiful, like I bet it was clean and clear and beautiful because nothing could live in that. Well, you could cook shrimp. That water is so acidic, you could probably cook shrimp in it. And they were going swimming in it, and they only noticed because it was bothering their teeth. And I think what was happening is that there was like they were so far off the spectrum that traditional water testing equipment wasn't registering the problem, or they weren't keyed into it to notice it. But for whatever the reason, that's how bad it can get. It can get dangerously bad. And yet that pool looked perfectly crystal clear. What's the problem here? Why are my teeth hurting? Your water is 100,000 times too acidic. So these things happen. Just an example, probably not happening to your pool, but to answer the question, is water safe to swim in just because it's clear? No, there's all sorts of dangerous stuff which could be in water. We're talking about acidity here, but there's parasites and things like that, flesh-eating bacteria, all sorts of terrible nasties that could be existing in water. And just the clarity of the water, a lack of turbidity, is not enough to say that that water is safe. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.